temperatures in the lower and middle teens. And now the extended outlook for the period Monday through Saturday. Wind chill values will remain around zero early Monday morning and will fall into the 0 to 5 below zero range early Tuesday morning. Spotter information statement. Spotter activation will be at 13 miles per hour. For Tuesday, sunny with a high in the lower 30s. West-southwest wind between 8 and 14 miles per hour with gusts as high as 18 miles per hour. For Tuesday night, mostly clear with a low in the middle 20s. For Wednesday, mostly result in hazardous driving conditions as slick spots develop on area roads, especially on bridges, overpasses, and untreated surfaces. Visibility will also be reduced at times in areas of moderate to heavy snow. A winter weather advisory for snow means that periods of snow will cause primarily travel difficulties. Be prepared for snow-covered roads and limited visibilities, and use caution while driving. Repeating, a winter weather advisory is in effect until midnight Monday for the following counties in Missouri: Benton and St. Clair. The current time is 10:33 a.m. Central Standard Time. A 7-day forecast for Clinton and the surrounding area. For today, periods of snow mainly before 1 p.m. Chance for precipitation is 80%. High around 30. Northwest wind chill is 30.15 inches and steady. The snow was falling with a temperature of 32 at Lebanon and 35 at St. Louis. It was cloudy with a temperature of 25 at Warrensburg, 32 at Columbia, 30 at the Lake of the Ozarks, and 16 at Kansas City. At Springfield, snow and fog were reported with a temperature of 30.
That was on Highway Peepaw and State Line Road. That's clear, 1300 Springfield.
Once again, at 1 p.m. in Joplin, it was 24 degrees and light snow and fog were reported. Here's your National Weather Service forecast for extreme southeast Kansas as well as southwest Missouri, including
a vehicle on its side in a ditch, and it was on Farm Road 1212, near Farm Road 2130, the Aurora area. 616 at 1359. You may hold off just a second. One of the other operators said that Christian County had a request.
And they got pushed out, but we need to double check that, please. Sure.
$400. Go ahead. At 1070, southbound 160 at Double C Charles.